Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about camping gear. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please take this opportunity to click the red subscribe button down below and then click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video and you don't miss out on anything. Also, if you give me a thumbs up, that'll help me out with YouTube's analytics. And if you have any friends, families, neighbors, acquaintances that might be interested in any of my videos, any of the topics, please go ahead and share my channel out to them. And that way they can get in on it. And that way they're not going to be bugging you for your supplies. All right. Odds and ends camping gear. Wait a minute. I don't go camping. Why should I have camping gear? Good question. Does your area ever get hit by natural disasters? Most recent things come to mind: earthquakes, wildfires, hurricanes, something that will damage your home where your home is red tagged and you're not allowed to live in it till you get it fixed up. Where are you going to stay? Where are you going to stay until you get the insurance to pay for it? If the insurance will even pay for it. If you don't have those special add-ons for certain things, they may not pay for it. So you're going to need, if you have camping gear, tent and stuff, at least you got a couple days in the backyard there where you can set up and you're able to survive and get going until you get things figured out. So that's where camping gear starts to take care of you. If those of you do camp, you're already prepared for that part if you have good tents. If you do have camping gear, when was the last time you had it out? When was the last time you checked it out and made sure everything there was functional? That's one of the things you should be doing every year, whether you go camping or not, is pull the gear out, check it, make sure the tents aren't mildewing, make sure you're not having problems where rodents have gotten in there and start chewing things up. So you need to check out your camping gear, make sure it's in functional shape. What sort of camping gear should you have? Well, obviously a tent or two or three. If you have one tent for mom and dad to sleep in, one tent for the boys to sleep and girls to sleep in, or one for boys, one for girls. Another tent, or just one of those pop-up screen rooms where you can eat in. That way you're not eating in the tents. And you can pick those things up fairly cheap. All right, other things that make sure you have in your camping gear: a good can opener to be able to open up your cans so you can cook them. Camp stoves, a good supply of propane or white gas, depending on what type stove it is. You may also want to have a supply of charcoal briquettes and one of those small camp barbecue grills. You may also want to have the stovetop toasters and some of the other neat little things they have. You'll definitely want some pots for boiling water. You'll want a couple of wash tubs, ones that are about 12 inches wide by 16 inches or so. The Boy Scouts use the three tub method. The first tub has soapy water in it. The second one is where you rinse it off at. And the third one has a sanitizer like bleach or something in it to make sure that the utensils and plates and pots are all sanitized for your next time around so you don't get the trots. I'm not going to go into absolutely all the camping equipment you're going to need. Obviously, I'm going to touch a couple more here. Sleeping bags are always a good thing to have. Air mattresses or sleeping pads to go under because, hey, the ground's not as soft as you think it is. Some people prefer cots to keep themselves up off the ground, and they can store stuff under the cot in the tent. That's always a great bonus. Extra towels in your camping gear because, hey, if your house gets knocked down, you may not be able to pull any of the towels or anything else out of there. You just maybe have gotten out by the skin of your teeth. So check out camping supply lists. There's plenty of them listed on the internet. Just Google camping supply lists. Don't take the list as the end all of what you should have. Adapt those lists to what you need. All right. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't do anything foolish, but stay safe. All right. And get prepared. and I'll see you in the next video. All right.